400 tools in a 12 trays. All what you need for your workshop. Different torque spanner ratchet handles, different socket sets until 32, deep socket sets, ratcheting wrenches, flexible wrenches, regular wrenches, deep offset wrenches, T-handles, different pliers, even water pump plier, T-handle, hex and torques, screwdrivers, even striking, Phillips torques, flathead. Here we have insulated screwdrivers, griping pliers, files, and 2 extra empty boxes for your stuff. DM me now to get best price ever, delivery all across Europe.